Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to watch RTVE play on Android TV. The first thing to do is to get the app, so get over to apps and go to the browser of choice. I'm using the Google browser and just type in RTVE play app. Now you find different links. This one from play.google.com, that's one you want, so click on it and you get here. So to get the app, you may find an install button here if you don't have the app already. I have the app installed, so you find an open button. So if you do not have it, click on install. The installation process will be swift, automatic, and when it's done, you will click on the open button right here or access it from your app library. So I just clicked on open and the app is going to open up right now. Now the RTV app has a lot of content on a wide variety of topics, from documentaries to movies and all that cool stuff. Just wait for the app to open and you find this page. So this is the cookies policy portion of the app. All you need to do is to hit accepting the cookies and recommendations. So just be patient on this page for a while and you're going to find the app clarify your cookies, and that will take you to the next step. So just hang on tight, and if your internet connection is good, it should take you a shorter amount of time, not this long. But if you have poor internet connection like I do right now, you may experience a slight delay. So all you need to do is just be patient and wait for it to load up. Right, that's what you want. So now this is the RTV Play registration page. You can choose to register, and then you can choose to log into an existing account. But if you do not have an account already, just head over to the X button right up at the top right portion of the screen, and I have to tap it twice because you saw me hit the accept cookie button twice. So this toggle has come up, and now when you click on this X button, you'll find the home page. So just give it some time. When network loads, you're going to have this process seamlessly. So if you have poor internet connection, you may be delayed from page to page. When you get to that page, just hold on a minute, and when you've clicked on the option, it's going to load after a couple of seconds. Okay, that is it. Now on this page, you can have a lot of content. There are options to search at the bottom menu. You can look at the bottom right where you have the menu bar. You can choose between documentaries, series, movies, entertainment, informative shows, all of that good stuff. At the same time, you go to the search bar and search for content you want under Bushka, and under Discarges. Under Discarges, you could download. Discarges means download, and then Milista. This is a list of different content you've listed, saved as favorites and categorized. And then you go back to home under Inicio. So all this content is available to you. If you want to watch anything, just click on it and you're good to go. So I've clicked on that show. These are the details. Veahura would start the show immediately and you could watch it, or you could look for more information about the show. But this gives you at the start a small snippet describing what this show is about. If you want more, you could click on my info and you have more information. So click on Veahura and that will begin the movie, documentary, series, and you start watching from there. So if you found that video insightful, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more quality and straight to the point videos like this.